Hey guys, Chris from Z1. We're a little over 3 weeks away from Z Nationals 2019. And a lot of you guys have had some questions about where to be, what's going on, how to register. This is the video for you guys to get the details. Let me hit some highlights for you, share the finalized agenda, and give you all the need to know information to make sure you're ready to come hang out with us and have a good time in October. That being said, let's get into the agenda. So Thursday, very much the same as years past. We'll be meeting for registration and pre-tech at the Sonesta in Atlanta. We'll have hotel links for you to book rooms for Thursday and Friday night in the details page and also below. So make sure you use that, get the group rates. Those rates are only good through the 4th. So if you haven't booked your hotel, make sure you go ahead and get that taken care of as soon as possible. Thursday night, after you get checked in and registered, we'll have a gathering, a little meet and greet at the Art Bar. Those of you who've been there know where it is, just off the lobby. Casual Thursday night, kind of getting ready for the track day, so come out and hang out with us. Road Atlanta on Friday, it's gonna be a family-friendly event. If you come out to drive, you know the drill. If you wanna come out and spectate, more than welcome. We'll have charity hot laps going on with the Z1 crew. We'll have parade laps during the lunch hour if you wanna take a lap around the track and kind of see what it's all about. Friday is very much going to be business as usual with our typical Z Nationals track day. Once we wrap up the track day at 5, everybody's going to move back to Sonesta like we do normal years. This is where things are going to change just a little bit. We're going to go for a little more casual feel on Friday night. We're going to have kind of a track day after party at the Art Bar at Sonesta. We'll have some special giveaways. We'll have some track day awards. That's gonna go from 7 to
1 eternity later.
That'll be the drill for Friday night. Saturday is the big change in this year's schedule for us. Those of you familiar with the last few years and familiar with the Judge Car Show at Coolray, we're actually bringing the party back here to Z1 this year, and we'll be having an open house from 10 to 5. Gates open at 10. We've got a number of events planned. Some of the highlights will be a limited entry dyno competition, expecting about 20 cars in that competition. First come, first serve. Z1 Motorsports /dyno to get the details on how to be prepared for that. Make sure you come by the front counter when you arrive and let some of the staff know that you want to participate. In addition to that dyno competition, we'll have guided tours, we'll have music, food trucks, we'll have photos and poster signings with the Z1 girls. We'll have some specialty cars on site. Nissan Heritage Collection bringing something exciting. The Club Sport 23 will be here with the Nismo folks. Just a lot of great stuff going to be going on here Saturday. Once we wrap up Saturday here at 5, there will be a cruise, and we're going to head downtown Carrollton, 10-15 minute drive away, and that will be a kind of an informal, casual night of enjoying what downtown Carrollton has to offer in terms of restaurants and bars. Those are the details for Z Nationals 2019. Make sure to follow our Facebook event page for all the up-to-date information between now and the event. If you've got registration questions, general questions, shoot us a note, give us a call. We want to make sure you guys are set up and ready to come hang out with us next month. See you then.